think we will try to play good football, and we are looking at new players also. We have invited a lot of new players in the camp from the senior national, so that we can create a group of players. I think for past 3 years, I think Shillong has been very welcoming to us, and we have been given the best of facilities to train. I think we are giving a stay here. At the same time, we are working hard on the field.
Great privilege to play here in India, and then after 4-5 years, AFF has given chance to play in our own country. So we will give our best for matches.
And coach, how would you rate Iran as an opponent?
Iran is a very tricky side. Iran is a very tricky side. They have got some good physical players. I don't know whether they have invited players from Europe who is playing or not. But I think it will be a very good match for us to test our place when it comes to physicality and all. I think we will have a good match tomorrow.
Grace,
We'll give our all out for tomorrow match, and we will stick to our plans, whatever the coaches have told us. So we will implement on the next tomorrow.
Like you said, because women's football and men's football is completely different. Like we used to dominate women's football before, but slowly every country is progressing in the right direction. Even when we say SAF, and when we look at the FIFA ranking, Nepal, Bangladesh, 120, 110, and we are 63. But when we meet in the field, it's not easy to defeat teams like that. Yeah, so FIFA, we can't go on FIFA ranking. But for me, what has helped us to grow right now as a football in the past 2-3 years, I think the introduction of IWL, the home and away matches, and I think now we are getting youngsters like in under 17 or more through our Asmita League, Khelo India, like we have SFI team. Also, Suprotokap has also introduced girls football. So I think now we can look for more larger players in the younger age group, so that it will be beneficial for the long run.
So unlike the men's football team,
I think it's one of the most difficult questions to answer, because men's football is quite professional compared to women's football, and like in women's football, most of them are working in like government, some of them are government employees, and also it's always difficult for them to maintain that level of fitness. But saying that also, I think now, like I said, in IWL with home and away matches, now we have almost 4 to 5 months of league, and with senior nationals another 1 month if we say. So at least now we are playing for 5 to 6 months. But if we increase the number of teams in IWL from 8 to 10 or 12, so we have a larger teams and larger pool of players and more matches for the players, then it becomes easier for the coach in the national team just to focus only on the tactical part rather than going for fitness and all.
the history of Indian women's football is more or less same as Iranian women's football team. So how do you rate your opponent?
Yeah, and like I said, they are a very good side, physical side, and it's very difficult for us to get the data of Iran's football, because we hardly get chance to see how they are playing, and also right now we have only 2 matches how they played in AFC. So other than that, we don't have anything. So if they bring new players, and also we don't have any idea about their players who are coming, and also in that way it's quite difficult for us.
So you think that home grounds will be an added advantage?
And sometimes home games can be advantage and added pressure also. So it depends. So, but definitely in a place like Shillong, wherever, I think this is the first time our senior women team is playing in Northeast. So I think the crowd will come, and I think it will definitely help us. I think we have almost 4 to 5 under-20 players. Last time when we had a camp in Bangalore, but right now under-20 is planning to go to Kazakhstan and play friendly match, so that we could include them. But I think we have included Juliana from our under-17 team who qualified recently, and then there are few new players like Hema, Linda Chanu, Grace, who we have scouted through our through senior nationals. So we'll have a look at them also.
So coach, how these friendlies can help you for the preparation?
To be honest with you, I wish I had all my players. Like Soumya is missing, Sandhya is missing, Kartika is missing. Payal is missing. For 2-3 players, because we are giving them chance to be rehabilitated from the injuries. Others, I wish I had a chance, because sometimes, like you say, even though it's a friendly match, yeah, but it's a preparation forward for AFC. So sometimes we have to look at the larger picture and bring nation first. So, but anyways, but this could be a blessing for us to see new players also, because we still have 4 months. So I think let's see how the new players does, so that we have a 4, I think more than 25 more players, so that it becomes easier for us to select if there are any injuries.
Why we are missing in this one? Like,
Soma is not there.
myself.
I don't know, we tried to communicate with the club, yeah, but nothing has come up. I think maybe she's injured or something like that, but I'm not sure. Same thing with Sandhya, Kartika and Payal also. I believe Payal has some family issues, so that's it.
Okay, coach, also.
I had already given my blueprint to the federation. So after we came from Thailand, we had a meeting, so I have already given a blueprint. So in this friendly we will be playing here. So most probably we again have a November FIFA window friendly. So we are trying to go to Europe and some friendly matches, because sometimes it gets difficult to get European teams. So maybe just go and play with some clubs. So that's our idea. And then maybe have a proper longer camp from January. So from January we prepare for a longer time and go directly to Australia. So that's the everything is set up. Now it's just the execution part.
My question is to place, ma'am. Ma'am.
We just can't compare with men's and women's. There are lots of different things. But it's a self-dedication, what we want to play football, and then it's how we improve ourselves. So there's no to compare with men's and women.
मैम आप ही सीनियर रहोगे जब एफसी जाएगा, तो आपको कुछ ज़्यादा जिम्मेदारी है? Do you have any additional responsibilities given by coach, head coach?
As a senior players, we have lots of responsibility in our team, and also for the junior as well. And also we have a lot of things to learn from the junior, also as well as the junior has to learn from the senior. So. Yeah, there will be lots of pressure for the senior players to perform.
To be honest with you, they have to set standards. So they are always on their toes.
Coach, we are very close.
I think, see, we can say like we are going to Australia and there are better teams and all. I think this is the time not to show our weakness. This is the time to show like how strong we can be. So I think I see myself in Brazil in 2026. I am positive about it. I think the players have to start believing that also. I think we have embedded that seed in our mind that we are going to Brazil. It's just about how we nurture, like you said, how we plan our friendlies, with whom we want to play, how do we go to Australia. So that part we need the nurturing that seed to grow into a plant. That's the only remaining part.
Yeah, there are one coach.
Yeah, there are female coaches in my team.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a head coach, but there is Priya, there is Nivedita, there are female coaches in the team also. Yeah, we have a lot of coaches, female coaches, who are doing a great job, and I think Priya is one of the first, I think, pro licensed coach in India, first female coaches, and there are a lot of many young coaches also. Now in IWL also there are many coaches, and I think recently Kusum went to Philippines as an under-17 assistant coach. So I think they are doing a great job.
says that nice to meet you and hello. And he thanks about many things from your country. And our professional league in Iran is now, and our players is in the league, is a professional league. They every day train, and the last week, every last week they have a professional match, and it's good for the ready of them. And we have many training programs in Iran for the national team after the Asian program in the Jordan. When we come back, we had many programs for the ready, the players, and now this match is very important for us and very good for us. But we like it that this condition better because we had about 30 hours in the way from the Iran up to Shillong, because and we had 3 flights and then about 3 hours in the road, and now we are very tired. We like to change the date of the match from tomorrow to day after tomorrow, but I spoke and you said that's not possible, but now we hope that tomorrow we will.
خیلی پیشرفت زیادی داشتیم تو سالهای اخیر و فکر کنم که برنامه‌ریزی خوبی داشته و حریف قدرتمند برای ما محسوب میشه و خوشحالم که با این تیم خوب بازی می‌کنیم.
She said that the Indian team is very good team, and he's a powerful team for us.
For you, 1969.
با توجه به اینکه ما هم تونستیم ورود کنیم به جام جهانی، قطعا شرایط تیممون بهتر شده. به جام ملت‌ها رسیدیم، قطعا تیممون شرایطش بهتره و سعی می‌کنیم تو اهدافی تو مسیری که برای اهدافمون در نظر گرفتیم پیش بریم و تو همون مسیر بهتران ادامه بدیم.
In Jordan, we could go to officer from our groups, and we are ready now, and we train, and our condition is better now from the last.
Ma'am, like.
من فکر کنم که هر سه تیم‌های خیلی خوبی هستن و میتونن یه تورنمنت جذابی در پیش رو داشته باشیم که قطعا از این تورنمنت دستاورد خوبی به دست بیاریم و اون برنامه‌ریزی کنیم برای مسابقات پیش رو از این تورنمنت.
She said that I think that every 3 teams in this tournament is very good teams. Iran, Nepal, and India. Every team is good, and she thinks that this tournament is very good tournament for the programming for the qualified Asian in Australia. And
We'll take one last question.